Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of chia seeds, one of the most powerful superfoods out there. Stick around to learn about their amazing benefits and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Let's get started. Today, we're talking about these tiny but mighty seeds. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, which is native to Central America. Despite their small size, they're packed with nutrients that can have a big impact on your health. First, let's talk about their nutritional profile. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, calcium, magnesium, antioxidants. Just 1 ounce, about 28 grams, of chia seeds contains 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and a substantial amount of vitamins and minerals. One of the biggest benefits of chia seeds is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health, helping to keep things moving smoothly in your system. It can also help you feel full longer, which is great if you're looking to manage your weight. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. This unique property makes them excellent for hydration and electrolyte balance, especially if you're active and need to stay hydrated. Another fantastic way to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding. It's incredibly easy. Just mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite milk, add a sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. You can top it with fruits, nuts, or granola for a delicious and nutritious breakfast or snack. Chia seeds are also versatile in savory dishes. You can add them to salads, soups, or even use them as a thickener in dressings and sauces. Their neutral flavor means they won't overpower your dishes, but they'll still provide all those great health benefits. So, whether you're making smoothies, puddings, or salads, chia seeds are a simple and effective way to boost your nutrient intake. They're easy to find at most grocery stores and can be stored for long periods, making them a convenient addition to your pantry. Remember, incorporating small changes into your diet can lead to big health benefits over time. Chia seeds are a perfect example of how a tiny seed can make a significant impact on your well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and recipes. Let us know in the comments how you like to use chia seeds in your meals. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.